Illegal power connections blamed for Glen View 8 market blaze. By Lovemore, the 19th of August 2025, a massive fire gutted several stalls at the Glen View 8 SMEs complex in Harare early Sunday, with officials pointing to illegal electricity connections as the likely cause. Harare City Councillor Denford Ngadzir, who chairs the council's SMEs committee, said the blaze may have been triggered when power was restored after load shedding. The fire crew managed to contain the inferno after the city mobilized more than 60,000 liters of water, but efforts were hampered by the lack of functional fire hydrants. All fire hydrants at the complex have either been vandalized or blocked, which continues to pose a serious challenge during emergencies, Ngadzir said. He added that affected traders will be temporarily relocated to Kemhanza in Glen View 3. The blaze is the second to hit the country's largest furniture manufacturing hub in less than a month. On the 27th of July 2025, another fire destroyed nearly 25% of the complex, leaving about 700 traders counting losses. Although investigations are still underway, authorities suspect the latest blaze could have been sparked by an unattended brazier or illegal power connections.